guys really liked the parking garage video, so we're back. I know that backdrop will look really nice in the video, but this time I don't want to get kicked out, so we're gonna go ahead and park normally and not be illegally parked. Much better. Woo. So about a year ago, guys, I uploaded a video onto YouTube that said why you can't daily drive a 370Z/350Z, and then it said worst sports car to daily. That is my most viewed video on my channel, my most disliked video on my channel, and the most controversial video on this channel. Do I regret uploading it? I don't. Yes, it was extremely controversial and a lot of people didn't like it, but there was also a lot of people that did like it. And the main reason why people didn't like it, I believe it was because of the title that I put in that video. And honestly, as hard as to believe, I didn't put that title to get a lot of views. I honestly didn't even think the video was gonna do that good. I put that title because I honestly do believe that 370Z, 350Z, and the Z platform are one of the worst cars to daily drive. And I'm not hating on the car, guys, trust me, I'm not hating on the car. I've been daily driving the Z, as you guys already know, for like 2 years and like 3 months around there. And actually I gotta make a video on this, but I've been driving her a lot like the past month. But I do believe that this car is a lot harder to daily drive than things like the Mustang or Camaro or Subaru or Genesis or sports cars. It's been 1 full year since I made that video and said those things about the car. So 1 year later, how do I believe about me saying that? Do I still believe in the same reasons I said, or do I have new reasons? So actually, if you haven't watched that video, you might be a little bit confused about this video right now. So I'm gonna put like a time card up here or up here. Go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. So on that video, I talked about the blind spots, I talk about the space, I talk about the road noise, and actually I think that's it. I'm not sure. I'm not prepared for this video. No, I think that's it though, just blind spots and things like that. Blind spots, let's talk about blind spots. Let me first turn on the car here. A lot of people were like, oh, honestly, most of the comments, they're all gonna come up right now. So most of the comments were, oh, learn how to fix your mirrors. They're called blind spot for a reason, blah, 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 blah. Guys, my mirrors are probably as fixed as they can be. Trust me when I say that. Trust me. This car has some pretty bad blind spots, including back there. You cannot see out of that little window. I already showed it in the video, unless you wait for it. Put the seat forward or put it all the way back. But this car does have some pretty bad blind spots. And am I gonna stick with that reason? Yes. 1 year after that video, this car still has blind spots. I'm not taking that back. Oh God, forgot to turn off. That was bad. The second thing I talked about in that video is I talked about the car not having a lot of space and just being very compact. This is the reason that I'm not saying I take back, but I'm gonna show you a little clip from the last video I think I made. Here we got groceries, and back there we got more groceries. As you guys can see from that video, I fit all that inside this little car. Well, that's because there wasn't really a passenger, but I feel like I still would have managed to fit all the groceries in the back, in the trunk, even if I still had a passenger. So would I take back that reason? I'm gonna say yes. But that doesn't really mean it has a lot of space. You just gotta kind of figure it out, honestly. Actually, I forgot to ask you guys in the comments below, but which one of you bros daily drive your race car? Let me know, let me know. And if you do, which car do you drive? Let's talk about the last thing that I said. I talked about the road noise and how bad it was. It does have really bad road noise, like the wheels. It also depends on the tires that you're using. I learned that after I made that video, but it still has really bad road noise. Doesn't matter what tire you use. It does help, but the road noise in this car is kind of bad. So if you get like an aftermarket exhaust or just test pipes or something like that, I feel like in the Z platform is where you really hear it a lot, guys. Like my car, there's something I realized recently. It rattles and makes so many noises thanks to my exhaust. It rattles so bad, probably because I'm straight piped. Probably that problem's only for me or for you guys that are straight piped, or if you want to go straight pipe on your Z. But guys, it rattles so bad. I'm not taking that out. I'm sticking with that. The road noise is really bad, especially when you're having exhaust and it rattles a lot. Like just the inside of the car, not even the exhaust. The inside of the car rattles so bad. But still, guys, I mean, be honest, who wouldn't just love driving this every day? So since the reasons are basically out of the way and we already had that conversation and you guys already know my point of view on it, let's read the comments on that video. The first one comes from Connor. Sounds like this child needs a Civic. Alright. It says, a Z isn't a family car, LMAO. Obviously, bro, it's not a family car. I'm just saying if you can't daily drive it, or you can. Next comment, buy a Buick or a truck then. But then there's actually people that understand the point of the video and said, LOL, I just watched the video and I agree. I hate getting out of the parking spot. I can't see anything from the passenger side, so I have to lean in and check around a lot of times. It's annoying, I know. Looking forward to buying one. Really helpful video, thanks man. No problem, bro. Buy a minivan. You should be driving a vehicle more your style, like a minivan. I didn't really read a lot of comments on that video, but a lot of people did say I don't deserve her, so you know what? Maybe I don't deserve her. Maybe I do need a minivan. I wanted to get a minivan. Let's see if he's gonna get a minivan now. Oh guys, Brit isn't just another car that you can just slap this on her and she's for sale. No, she's special, and we gotta let the buyers know that she's special. Brit is for sale. Hey guys, since you all wanted me to buy a minivan, I actually already bought one without having to sell a 370Z. I'm super excited to show you guys. It's gonna make some decent power. Yeah, let me go show you guys. Here you go, guys. This is my 2016 Chrysler minivan. Let's go. I actually just got word from the previous owner. It is a 2019 Chrysler minivan. What do you guys think, honestly? Like, I'm very If you thought the cold start on Brittany was good, this is a cold start on my 2009 Chrysler minivan. Here we go. Yo, it doesn't even make noise. It fixes the problem that I used to have with the 370. The road noise and everything, I hated that, so, oh man, such a good purchase. Oh my goodness, if you're still watching this segment of the video, thank you guys, but obviously I'm just messing around. Alright guys, we're finally back. If you guys actually stayed through that, I'm sorry. You guys actually thought I was gonna sell her? Like, come on bros, come on. But honestly, I just really want to show you guys this. Look how beautiful it is up here. Wow. Actually, I just really had to get close for you guys. Look at this. Wow, that's beautiful, guys. I haven't seen the sunset like this in forever. Alright, back to the spot, back to the spot. Another thing I wanted to add that might make this car kind of more difficult to the lead drive that I didn't touch on last video, I can't even speak, is does get a lot of attention. I didn't record it, but when I was sitting up here, guys, a lot of like little kids, they were like middle school I think, they came up and they were like asking me questions about it, and they were like, oh that's so cool, 370Z, and that's really cool, but that's not even what I'm trying to say. It does get a lot of attention. People might hate on the car, they might key your car, you're gonna be a lot more prone to things like that. People throwing stuff at your car, it's happened to me. I don't think I ever said it on the video. I might make a video about it, but when I first got the Z, guys, people actually threw eggs at it. It was bad, I know. But anyways, that's not really important. Oh, what I'm trying to get at. What I'm trying to get at is you're gonna be a lot more worried and a lot more cautious, and you're not gonna be as freely. Like, you're gonna wanna park far away, you're gonna wanna, like, I don't know, you're gonna be more like tense, I guess, driving the car, because you want to drive it safely, you know. You don't want anybody to hit your baby, your race car. So that's a reason I want to throw out there, and I feel like all of you can probably relate to that. Yeah. So that's basically all I really wanted to talk about today, bros. I just really wanted to go over that video that I uploaded a year ago, and since it did so well and it was so controversial, I just really wanted to touch on the topics again and really give you guys my insight on it. All in all, can you daily drive the 370Z? Yes, you can. Is it gonna be as comfortable as other sports cars? Probably not. But is it doable? Yes. If you want to do it, you can do it. Nobody's telling you that you can't. Well, I did on the title, but just ignore that, ignore that. But to all the beautiful people out there that support the channel, thank you guys so much. Absolutely love you guys. You guys are the best. Give the video a big thumbs up. Share with your friends, share with everybody. We're growing rapidly, and thank you guys so much for that. Appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Really trying to upload a lot for you guys. I already said I'm like saying that every video. Anyways, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time. Peace. I love you guys. Stay safe.